Monday morning up there, there's the three amigos there. I think this is a new bit. Tell me if you think that mirror needs cleaned or not. What do you think? Cock-doodle-doo, eh? There's Frederick, Wilbur, and the one and only Horatio. Now, where's Horatio? That's Horatio there. That's Frederick, and that's Wilbur. Tell my great followers. There you go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, Horatio's making a runner. Anyway, never mind that. Right, these are for garage doors we're doing, right? This is a new idea that I'm going to do. This is to make the butts, right? These are going to be, right, they're too long, but what you do, we'll put them through, we'll clamp them, put that in the entrance of the garage doors and burn back the road. They're on there, holding on to a whoopie woo on top of these garage doors. We're pressing them, sanding them down, they're going to get treated, right? But, and here's here, these are for girding these gates, right? Right? Now, just to let people see the preparation we do, this is D4 premium wood adhesive glue, empty, right? That is what we've put on that gate frame there, right? Okay, you see it running down the sides. We can't put any more glue on this, right? Do you see it? Right? And that's what we do. We do that. I can't help it sometimes if the glue, for some reason, doesn't actually activate or adhesive, doesn't it? But that's what we do. We put the board down there, then we brad it with brads. Now, to show you what we do, every process, and if you see that, you'll see the corrugated fasteners there too. You can just vaguely see them, right? And they've been dominoed, and so there's three fasteners on them, 2 dominoes, 14 million, and then what we do, we put these on here, and each board has got 3, 6, 9, approximately 9 brads in them. 9 brads, that's the brads there, right? So they're glued, and then that there. I can't do any more with them. I can't do any more with them, folks, okay? So that's it, folks. We're going to Drungin this week. We'll get and see my old pal Marlon at Drungin, so I'll be feeding there this week. Haven't seen her for a while. Hope she's still talking to me, Marlene. So I'll see you all later. And it's no boy, she's Marlene, by the way. It's Marlene for Drungin. See you all later, folks.